Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make cranberry sauce. Canned cranberry sauce is perfectly fine, but if you want to make your own, here's a simple and tasty recipe. The ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. We're going to cook our ingredients together. You can use frozen or fresh cranberries for this recipe. Add the cranberries to your pot. Remove any squishy ones. These are washed and drained. Orange zest is wonderful in cranberry sauce. Now you can juice the orange. Add the orange juice, water, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Cook this for about 10 minutes until the cranberries pop. Notice it's getting thick. Taste and add more sugar if you need to. Just about all of them have popped. We can turn the heat off. And that took less than 10 minutes. Cool this completely before serving. You can also refrigerate it and serve it cold. This will keep in your refrigerator for a couple of days. You saw how fast it is to make cranberry sauce. Subscribe for more recipes and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.